You know, if I tell them, I say they swear for this Nnamdi Kanu family, on a say na lie. If you just watch in condition, watch in family, and everything they do, and nothing will show you. Now, just if nothing else one show you, check how their father did. Some day they carry wife for in front. You, the person feed you your father that kind of thing. And are people where they swear for, and you know say since they know say they no get name. They know say they curse them. Now people where they curse in the Igbo land and when that bro, they will always want to drag people's name into the mud, so you will be as useless as them. They want your name to be as miserable as their own. See the latest now. The bingos don't they collect the money of the fake Biafra where they promise them their Biafra money. Now they wanted to say they share them to people. Now me now. They work on, they say they send money, send me 5,500 euros, send Ike Guru, I go send Alhaji Asari Dokubo 1. Check the account, the record, the transaction record, the statement of account. See the date where they the statement of account. So how come the thing can't capture money where they send after you? The statement of account they show say now from so time in 2022 to so time in the same 2022, but the money where they fled there I say that 2023, you know no get sense. Bingo na bingo, utobo no utobo. Nona go use on a hand they kill on herself. Ona go use on a hand bring the rope where they go use body. The useless Kanu wey Sami there they knack him mama. I dare you to put your name to that thing. You put it for Nigeria, they not arrest you. Come in. No say I'm from a useless family like you. Oko. They go write Ikenga name. Okay. The funniest thing be say my name wey you write there don't be my name, maybe my official name be that. You know them my ID card. Don't be waiting them my ID card don't town. Ona go use on her hand, they expose on herself. Ndoshi. Go count their money, give them all. They say they go buy all of her. Shebi they don't give her law age Marco own. Say they go bury her alive. All their trust is so ona do for leave. Ona go chop her, ona go use on her carry her. Now for on her head they go land. Ndoshi. Useless people, hungry people will use ignorant in the Igbo as poverty alleviation program. If not be useless Igbo people will not get sense. Hunger for my all of another. Usain Bolt for still the bam, patan baba for bricks in the zero munden the baba. Oh mukuru thought about which the year like a wuchawad ndoshi. Go count their money, give them. See as Amadio had exposed on her. See the name where I put there. See the record. Waiting the statements of account different for the show that takes the blue money or got illiteracy that yeah uboko ubiti umutobo shebi if I dey call them utobo not saying a joke. They are nothing but umutobo. How they manage to fool the yeah. May I not be stupid enough that this kind of people and they want to chop me. Really. Thunder Bochaku Nine Umara Gabadi Chakwami meet.